Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. We're still here with a Sugar Muses Midnight Muses unboxing. I am so excited. Although honestly, I'll be real honest. I got the notification that it had been delivered on Saturday. Forgot about it because it's been like 100 billion degrees here, and I didn't want to go outside. And then I just remembered today that I needed to get it out of my mailbox. So I was excited, but I had to put it on pause because freaking Texas. But let's get into it. I can't wait to see what's inside. Yeah, okay. Got a fancy background with this like moon and tree theme on our paper, and it says the theme here is Thunder Moon, manifesting with the full moon and storm magic. And I am excited. So let's hold on to this for a sec. We'll check it at the end. And then, let's see what we got. So, this is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see, like, the lightning detail here. This, like, storm goddess print. This is beautiful. And I love it. Definitely gonna save that one. I saved them all. I don't know why I pretend like I don't. I save every single one. But I love that one. Probably my favorite of this year's to date. Granted, there's been, like, 1, 2 so far. So, we're off to a great start. This is a little bit about moon water and its magical uses. Look at that. Really pretty graphics. Get a little close so you guys can pause it to read if you want to see the info here. Really pretty stuff. And then this card, which is stunning. I love the back of this already. I don't even know what the front looks like, but I love it. Ooh, it's a silver Knight of Pentacles. How great is that? What a fortune card. And it's shiny, so it's more like prosperity and abundance. And then there's a sticker of the print, you guys. This is... like, yes! I'm so excited. Oh, now I have to think of something really nice to put this on. But how cool is that? We never got a sticker of the print before. I love this. I hope this isn't all the time thing, especially for these like pretty just art style ones, because that's amazing and I love it. And let's get into this because I already read the label. It is a labradorite gemstone. The struggle. It's like being torn between two like stages. I want to tear it open violently with all my excitement, but then I want to like preserve all the pieces so that I can use them for other things. But I have like just a bag of these bags, and I really need to figure out what to do with them. Maybe I'll do like a video series on using up some of these bags. So we got this really cute little labradorite. It's got some flash. I don't know if that's gonna pick up because my lighting is not choice, because like I said, it's 1 billion degrees here in Texas, and I don't have my blinds open because any heat, any light that comes from the outside burns us. But that's really pretty, so I love that. And we got a candle, another like beeswax rolled candles. These are my favorite. And it's got this really cute little like, I don't know what you'd call it, like aura glass, dichroic glass, I think is the word. Some kind of glass. You guys can't even see it because it's not in focus. There we go. But that's really pretty. So that's pressed in there really nicely. But I love these beeswax candles, mostly because you can unroll them and then stuff them full of herbs and like anoint them and then roll them back up. That's like my favorite thing. But sometimes they do that themselves. So I'll have to check and see on the information sheet what they did there. I don't know what to touch next. We'll get the little spell box. There's a Midnight Muses spell box. Look how cute! Oh my god! Okay, if they deliver all the herbs and stuff this way from now on, like, I'll be complete. I need nothing else. So let's see, a little tiny scroll in here. It tells us what's inside. There is bay, sea salt, quartz, and black obsidian. How neat is that? And it's about moon water and how you can add these to purified water under the light of the moon. So these are cute little tiny jars. I love these jars. Little crushed up bay leaves. And the quartz and black obsidian chips. How great are these? I love that. What a cool little, I'll fix this later. A cool little addition. What is this? This is probably the oil because they come in these nice long bottles now. Although this one, no, it looks right. That was just the air bubble I'm looking at. Not that you guys can see it, but let's see. So we got Thunder Moon, a bewitching oil blend. Look how nice that is. I love how transparent these are. Although I really do like, and I probably say this every single time, I want there to be stuff in this jar. I'll put my own stuff in, but I love seeing like little gemstone chips and stuff floating around in my oils. So that's like my only takeaway, detraction. But even then, like, these oils are great. They're really nice quality and they smell wonderful, so I'm always happy with them. And then let's see, we got some incense. Opium, all right, go off. I love that they're labeled. That's super helpful. Okay, we're digging this way. I think this is the item, and then this is the tea. These are the curly dudes. So this is just some chamomile tea bags, and I absolutely love chamomile, so I am not opposed to this as a product in the bag. Straight up chamomile tea is some of my favorite tea. Let's see what's in this little bag. I don't know. Ugh. Oh my gosh. If I thought the stuff from earlier was a struggle, that's some good tape. It looks really pretty. I don't know what it is. Okay. It's a little, like, hand-crafted goddess. Look how pretty that is. You guys are picking that up. She's got a little, like, stone bump thing. I don't know. Super cute. Really cute little goddess figure. Loving that. So let's see what our paper says. All right. Pause for reading. And yeah, I think that's, oh, this one's long. More pausing. Okay. It says some stuff about the moon and storm magic. We got an opium incense stick and our thunder moon oil, which was made with clove, amber, and violet orris. I don't know what violet orris is. I've seen orris root. So maybe the same thought process. I'll have to like Google that one because I don't know if they're the same. Is orris part of a violet plant and I'm just now like realizing this? Research needs to be done. And this oil is all about manifesting. Use it throughout the year. Blah, blah, blah. State your attention. Remove the crystal moon charm from the thunder moon candle. So it doesn't look like they anointed that one, so that's cool. I can add my own stuff to it. I can add some of this thunder moon oil to it, which would be nice. And then, as per usual, they walk you through the entire steps of the ritual. So there's a section on building energy, and then using the spell box to make some fancy moon water with all those ingredients. And then here we are on the back. Pause for reading. Sorry, the lighting isn't better. It is what it is. Because it's 1,000,000,000 degrees. And let's see. Moon Goddess clay figurine. My cat's playing in their tunnel. The Moon Goddess represents intuition, creativity, fruition, fluidity, the water element, emotions, and divination. She has many names and is celebrated in different cultures around the world. This goddess has been hand-molded and painted to represent the divine moon goddess. Incorporate her into your lunar ritual spells or add her to your altar. So that's nice. So we did get the tumbled labradorite as well, which, if you guys don't know, is a gemstone used for self-discovery, awakening, inner awareness, intuition, and spirit. One of my favorites, definitely, for sure. And then chamomile tea, which is why I drink it the most. It's used to help with stress and anxiety and act as a natural sleep aid. As a person with those things and the inability to sleep, it is my favorite tea. And then the exclusive collage art in sticker is by the creator of the box. So you can place it on your moon water jar, which is actually a really great idea. And I do have a blue ball jar that I use to like collect moon water and rainwater, and basically I stick it outside whenever it rains, so storm water in it a lot. So that's a pretty good idea. I might slap it onto that jar and make it my official like storm water jar. I need to start labeling my jars now that I'm thinking about it. And the tarot card is from the Silver and Black Tarot, which you can find on their website, which will be linked below if you want some more information on how to get this box. And yeah, that's it, you guys. What did you think? Pretty great box. Absolutely love it. I think I love the print the best, but I do love this little handmade goddess. She's really cute. I'm happy with the tea choice because any tea without hibiscus is my favorite tea. This candle's going to come in really handy for the full moon, which is tonight as I am recording this. And this oil is going to be great. So, plus I have to go do some research on violet orris and see if it's the same thing as orris root, because I feel like there's no reason it wouldn't be. But we're going to learn. We're going to find out. Maybe I'll do a video about it. Let me know if I should do a video about it. I do have some segments from like Den of the Wanderer, which I plan to like transfer over, like the herb blurb, which I have not done so yet. So maybe I'll make that my first herb blurb on the channel. If you guys are interested, let me know. Let me know what you thought of the box in the comments below, and let me know what you guys think in general. Do you like these boxes? They are going monthly with their large box. So it was bi-monthly before, now it's going to be monthly, and now I have to decide if I want to keep getting the Midnight Muse box as well as the large box. I like the Midnight Muse box, because I feel like it's a little bit more concentrated, tiny concentrated, but I also love getting like the nice statement pieces in the big box, so I have to decide if I want to keep doing both, or get a different box, like a different smaller box maybe, like the Witch's Roots is a pretty decent box. It comes with a bunch of herbs and stuff, and I kind of need to refill my stash, so maybe that. Or if I want to drop that big box and keep this box and get a different big box, or what I want to do. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the boxes. These are my favorite boxes, so of course I want to keep opening them. I love them both, so I'm probably going to keep getting them both for a little while, but if you guys are interested in seeing other things, let me know. And now my cats are running amok because that's what we do when we record. And yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. Let me know what other segments, if you followed me on Den of the Wanderer, that you wanted to see here. I do have to do a moon, not a moon, a mirror magic video pretty soon, because I have put that off for like a year, if not 2. I feel like a garbage person sometimes. I have no concept of time. But yeah, there's that. And then I am working on some more exciting offerings on this thread for you guys coming up in the future. But that's gonna be it, because I'm just rambling now. I'm making this unboxing video 12 times longer because I'm just rambling. So I'm gonna say goodbye. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces, and I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting. Bye.